पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी.
This is not just the story of schools, it's the story of hope, determination, and transformation. The story of government schools that turned silence into success and despair into a dream fulfilled. These classrooms were once silent. No students, no activity, no future in sight. But today, the same schools are alive with the sound of learning. Learning starts with the right tools. Today, every child receives timely textbooks, notebooks, and essential supplies. Education is now accessible, equitable, and uninterrupted. A school without teachers is a school without soul. Where there was once a shortage, there are now qualified and dedicated educators. Regular classes, interactive methods, and renewed commitment, teaching has come back to life. A school thrives when its community stands behind it. Parents, community members, and local stakeholders are now actively involved. Their participation has brought accountability, ownership, and shared progress. Once symbols of neglect and abandonment, these buildings have been transformed into spaces of safety, dignity, and learning. Clean classrooms, secure walls, and proper furniture now welcome every child. Clean drinking water, separate toilets, reliable electricity. These are not luxuries, they are necessities. And today, they are part of every functioning government school. Behind this change stands a driving force, IRM. With real-time monitoring, strategic planning, and field support, IRM has been instrumental in turning policy into progress. This is more than improvement, it is a quiet revolution. Government schools have risen from the shadows, becoming centers of excellence, equality, and hope. The future is here, and it begins in our schools.